Maliha. Hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to the channel.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to another video. So guys, today we are going to be reviewing Chicken Baristo. It's just next to Gilani's. And of course guys, you need to sanitize or you need to wash your hands before entering any restaurant here in Nakuru and I guess everywhere around Kenya. So over here they have two options. They have a sanitizer and they have a soap and water. You can choose the one that you like. Then next guys, of course I'm going to show you how the restaurant looks like. I love this specific one. I really love just the vibe in the restaurant. It's really a pretty restaurant. Also guys, concentrate on the light fixtures. I really love their lighting over here. And yeah, let me just take you guys around and before we can get to the food part. What do you want to eat?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Juice.
Pizza and juice and chips. Okay. Then I really like to show you guys the menu so that when you get to come here, you already know what to expect, the prices and everything they offer. So guys, we ordered a variety of food. We have pudding chips, we have masala chips, we have pizza, and on Saturday in Chicken Baristo it's buy one get one free for the pizza, and the price is 750. So yeah, the pizza of your choice, and this is chicken biryani. And the first pizza I'm trying over here guys is something meaty. That's what it's called, and that's my favorite out of all of them. I really like it because it has different types of meat on top, and yeah, that's my favorite. And on the next one that I'm going to try, it's I think it was chicken tikka if I'm not wrong. And yeah, they have varieties. You can just choose the one you like, and you know the best time to go over here is during like on a Saturday, because you get to buy one and get one free. That's the offer on the pizzas. But I really liked it. Everything was nice. The cheese was not too much, just as I like it. And yeah, I'm just going to taste everything for you guys. This is the masala chips. As I showed you guys, the masala chips goes for 150 if I'm not wrong, and it's really yummy. It's not too spicy and also not just blunt. It's just a good masala chips. And this is pudding chips. I'm not a fan of pudding chips, but it tastes really nice. My sister loves pudding chips. And guys, that's my mocha shake. I love it. I don't know if there's any restaurant in Nakuru which offers mocha shake, but this one is my favorite drink. And this is my niece, guys. She just loves the camera. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. This is the end part. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you're enjoying these reviews. And at least when you come to Nakuru, you'll know which restaurant to go to. I'm going to show you more if I get the chance. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.